Hi there, it's Mathea Ford with Nick and E's Kitchen, and today I want to talk to you about our awesome new spice, garlic and more. You just saw me use it in these recipes that you just watched the video for. So let me tell you about it. It's garlic and more, and in this, its main ingredient is garlic, surprise, onion, red crushed pepper, green onion, and carrot. And it is salt-free, gluten-free, no GMOs, non-irradiated. We make our spices right here in the US. They're the freshest available. We get them in and we use them right away. They're even fresher than the ones you can get in the grocery store. So these haven't sat on a shelf for months waiting to be sold. I just got the batch in. So I hope that you find these recipes delicious and pick up some garlic and more spice and enjoy your day. Thanks. Go to nickandeskitchen.com and find all our spices. We have other spices available.